Just a quick introduction of myself. My name is Raúl Sempere. My background is on electronics and software engineering, which I got as part of my studies of Bachelor of Engineering and also master degree on engineering. I have also over 20 years working experience in highly regulated industries, and I have been also working in the medical devices industry since year 2011. I have a great expertise on ISO 13485 requirements and implementation for quality and regulatory compliance, quality management system auditing, product development, manufacturing and test process automation, validation, servicing, and also sustaining engineering activities. You can find more information about me on the website that you have on the screen.